Hello, everybody. Today is Saturday, September the 4th, 2014. My name is Michael Wright, and this is the Outlook video for the week ahead. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over our risk disclaimer. All right, so let's look at the markets as we closed out September and now kicking off the month of October. For September, another profitable month, extending that 4-month advance. The highest month so far for this year, the second highest month for this year, the highest came on the back of June when we were up about 16%. This month up 8.34%. So for the month of September, that is. So that bodes well, and as we go forward, looking to really extend those gains. As of late, we are in no open positions, but let's take a look at a couple of pairs as we head into next week's trade, but more importantly, as we kick off the month of October. Here right now we have the dollar yen, okay? As you can see, there's a nice pop in the dollar yen, but more importantly, there was a rally in the US dollar across the board. This came on the back of a better than expected US non-farm payrolls report, as the unemployment rate, which dropped to 5.9%, marking the lowest level in quite some time. Employment jumped 248,000 amid, and which was higher than expectations of 215. Indeed, I did write that report of 215 and laid out the possible scenarios, and indeed the better than expected scenario did play out. Very important, though, to look at the breakdown of the report, as what's really needed is full-time employment. Part-time employment did soar, but again, that's part-time. That's not really sustainable, in my opinion, for the longevity of growth in the largest economy. But in either case, though, the reaction in the markets was dollar benefit, and we saw that across the board. The dollar yen rallied to the top side. Aussie dollar, which we're showing now, continue to drop, but we will be looking for a possible double bottom play. Really watch for Sunday's open. If this holds, this could possibly be a nice turnaround for the Aussie, with the setback providing an opportunity to get long for those latecomers, or those looking to, or those who played out and waited past the non-farm payrolls report. At the same time, here we have the euro dollar. Okay, the euro dollar continues to make new lows. However, very important to note that there is bullish momentum divergence. A new low is made in price action. Momentum has yet to take out those lows. All right. The 261 fib is not too far away, so watch out for that. 124.30. We do want to see how prices react and are at when we kick off next week's session. So the open on Sunday will be very important for the euro dollar. Now, with that being said, euro Aussie, a nice particular play that I'm looking at going forward. Okay, any top side, I want to see about 145 about. Okay, 145 or 144.90. That would be a back test, so a kiss, as we broke the support area, and I'm looking for a retest of support turn resistance for the euro Aussie. The pound Aussie, okay, its counterpart, very similar developments. Okay, as we kick off the pound Aussie, so not much different on that angle, but again, double bottom on the Aussie dollar. Euro Aussie looking for it to get a tad bit higher to get long. Euro dollar a little bit lower before a possible reversal. Okay, and then dollar yen will just stay pat for now and look to see how the yen crosses come to life. Okay, we did get stopped out of break even on a couple of yen pairs last week. But you know what? That's why you really look to take advantage of your risk management skills, going to break even, taking off a half, taking off a quarter, and etc. All right. So again, there'll be more updates during the week as well. These updates, however, will be posted only in the members area and will be sent out only to members. Um, so those, if you're not a member, do sign up for our free trial. Just visit globalfxclub.com and you can sign up for our 14-day trial and see what we have to offer in the back end and really take advantage of some of our trades as we take it and do post the setup. All right, guys, I want to thank you all for watching the Elliottwave video for the week ahead. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to write us at info@globalfxclub.com, or you can Skype me directly at wtcg.mike. Thanks again, and good luck trading.